Americans, Assalamu alaikum. We are here today to welcome our leader and pay our respect and experience this historic moment where our Khan is among us. Sir, more than 8 million Pakistani diaspora and specifically Pakistani Americans are here to thank you for leading us out of the blind alley of past decades of darkness, where we were feeling neglected, exploited, deprived, extorted, and plundered as citizens and as a nation. We were so badly affected that generations at home and abroad got the effect psychologically, and we started feeling as inferior subjects, as if our country can never get better. Sir, this has happened at the time when many instruments were used and exploited. Sometimes facade of democracy, sometimes a band of narrow, lost nationalism, sometimes obliterated and obscured view of religiosity. Khan Sahab, you have given us hope. Khan Sahab, you have inculcated in us optimism. Khan Sahab, you have led us to a direction with vision based upon the principles of Riyasat-e-Madina. Sir, every soul in this arena, every beating heart in their chest, every breath in their body is standing firm and solidly behind you. Khan Sahab, we are honorable people. We are hard-working, dignified nation. We are people of Pakistan and deserve a better standing in the Committee of Nations. Sir, we believe, this is our faith, that your leadership would lead Pakistan to the level of dignified, sovereign, and respectable status in the Committee of Nations, proportionate to our potential on the globe. Prime Minister, I am confident and certain this process of resetting, recalibration of relationship shall begin. Effective your visit here in Washington, when you would be meeting with your host, our President of United States, effective tomorrow. My special thanks to all volunteers and team leaders who made this event a success. My special thanks to our chief host, Janab Sayyid Javed Anwar Saab, without whose guidance and his assistance. From this podium, I would like to clearly state a message to those who have been fed in Pakistan, sheltered, nursed for decades, our blood and sweat of Pakistanis. If for some reason, some of them has no shame, and including some of those who've been responsible officers of the state of Pakistan abroad, have taken the task to defame our motherland, the message to you is shame on you, and this audience rejects your paid and designed agenda. My special thanks once to the team leaders of this event, and I would like a long applause for our chief host and the Indus team, especially Amber Jamil. I admire your persistence and professionalism in assisting me. I would like to, otherwise I would not have materialized. A big hand of applause for Sir Syed Javed Anwar Saab. Lastly, Sir, आपके ज्याले, आपके वर्कर, आपके टाइगर, आज हम आपसे नहीं मिला सके. Sir, I would like to recognize Jani Bashir, Junaid Bashir from Maryland. I would like to recognize Mazhar Chughtai from Maryland. I would like to recognize my sister Narjis Ali from Maryland. I would like to recognize Dodi Chand from Virginia. I would like to recognize Chaudhry Zafar from Virginia. I would like to recognize Munir Khatana from Maryland. I would like to recognize Aisha Khan from Maryland. I would like to recognize Sam Khan from New Jersey. I would like to recognize Nadeem Yusuf from New Jersey. I would like to recognize Chaudhry Zamir from New Jersey. I would like to recognize Amjad Nawaz from Brooklyn. I would like to recognize my dear Parvez Riaz from New York. Sir, this event could not have been pulled out without 18-hour contribution of hundreds of your workers. And I thank you. I don't want to take much of your time between you and your workers.